Hi, Chris from Screen Medic. I'm going to show you to take out this side sliding window screen. This one's kind of a little trickier where you got to take out this sash, so I'm going to go through those steps. So I've got the window open, so you're going to open that up. But instead of opening all the way, it's perfect to open it right in the middle, because that's where the most flexibility is in the windows to be able to take this out. You're going to grab on both sides with your left and right hand, and you're going to lift up. It's not heavy, but it's also not light. So you're going to kind of wiggle it over at the bottom sash and kind of move to the left or right as you need. And as you can see, it kind of just barely clears the bottom. And you're literally going to take this out. It's a perfect time to wash your windows. And then the simple part is there's two tabs, and you're just going to lift those. One there and one at the bottom. And once you have that, now the screen is able to come out freely. You're just going to gently take it out and not damage the frame. So now the screen's out. You'll leave these for us. Another perfect time to clean the windowsills. Putting it back in is just the reverse. So you're going to put it in. You're going to put this side in first on the right. So get behind the blinds. Sometimes you just need to kind of just barely bend the frame to get it kind of past the parts with the vinyl that has kind of expanded over time with heat. And then you're just going to push it in. Let's get it past that spot. Watch your corners. And again, this comes with that flex. So I'm going to I want the corner to go in, and I'm going to flex out this middle piece just ever so slightly. I'm going to put the top in first. There's some piling on here that just does not, it's so tight. There we go. Once we get that in, they're not all that hard, and then you're going to lock them back in. And then when you put the window in, you're going to look, and you're going to put it up into this crevice here. And so that's where the window's going to go back into. Kind of push up as high as you can go, and then you're going to get leverage from the bottom. And just kind of jostle it back and forth until it gets over that little sill. And it's literally like just a tiny bit of space. And you're back in, ready for spring. Thanks so much. If you got questions, give us a call, 612-232-7378.